rírì mo wá rírì owó rẹ̀ fún ojúbọ rẹ̀ àwọn áńgẹ́lì ń kọrin ọ̀run òṣùpá ń kọrin wọ́n kọrin wọ́n kọ mímọ́ 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 fún bẹ́ẹ̀ tó jókòó lórí ìtẹ́ o alágbádá iná aládé ògo aládé mímọ́ aládé ìyè owó rẹ̀ mú ọba ọba mọ́mọ́ mọ́mọ́ mọ́mọ́.
But what?
Idimubasa, Idima, you pray. Oh yeah, the member, Imarama, there's your pray. Idima, did you pray? Oh yeah, the member, Imarama, there's your pray. Daddy, I shout out your praise. Good Father, you're so full of goodness. I love how you let me.
You carry me
on the next.
when some carry their God. You feed me, Lord, when some feed their God. You fought for me when some fight for the God. Jesus, you know they use me play. You carry me when some carry their God. You feed me, Lord, when some feed their God. You fought for me when some fight for their God. Jesus, you know they use me play. Inazandika turuo menyoza nenye chiari inayekweka yere mepuru mimo yasandete onwegi chidika gi
It's DJ Yorke on the next.
Wabugibwe tina mawana dunile Okamafo Clement Hibo barankitu okubiri n'ọnụ ya Eze ndị eze ọkwa gị bụ ebe ka edika obi na-emegharị arụ Chinadebe ọgbụgba ndụ ọnwa anya dịka gị ọ dịghị okwu ọbụla nke a na-abụghị bupụ na gị ikwesịrị ekele me na kambụli gị
You are the all-consuming fire. Come and manifest yourself. You are the all-consuming fire. I worship you today. You are the all-consuming fire. Come and manifest yourself. Yes, you've got fire in your eyes. Nothing hides from you. You see everything, even the deepest secret of men. Expose every evil, consume every wickedness. You are the all-consuming fire. Come and manifest yourself. You got fire in your eyes, Lord. Nothing hides from you. You see everything, Lord, even the deepest secret of men, Lord. Expose every evil, consume every wickedness. Give us the victory, Lord. Come and manifest yourself. Consuming fire. Come and manifest. Hey, consuming fire. I bow before your throne, Lord. On the name. Hey, consuming fire. Yes, you are.
Baba Yorke FM NHY TV so ere yankopon asese ende so ode ende so ache na bibia ekod no totin sene etie no Yorke morning jumedie no enadru so Okamafo Clement magie egu amedini nyina ede eba besom na woni misɛn sembebre na anana akoso ende day afi so efree na wotwi ahyase ye Monday ya besi inde no nsɛm akoso no edoso pa nti ya yenya efree omanfo ni bi honom ene sɛ sisi ano Ghana card ye no ehho asɛm aye bebre ebinum nam enomogye ehho sika echese impinfo enim ebinum so se impinfo enim pa no mu wi a omode won ekoye account ne ade honorable Sam George ne manfo akasa chese wa cheche nsem bebre mu ade akere mu nsem no edoso pa afei so unim se sisi ano NCC boss waja eye ne Dibre atu honoma okwakoye eye ambassador ama eye ECOWAS ewo ye Liberia enye asemketwa intino insem no edoso pan ewo omanyimu a ewo semene umienu yetenase na afede yehu de eko na me update you on what you should do. Registrations no inkofo bebre na kase registrations no enye necessary ebinimo so se emra emma ho kwan emra entimi ensi obi ho kwan se ontimi nyusu eye ne sim card in the near future ni ade but unim say Ghana is full of uncertainties nyema bebre timi see at a point a wankasa wodwen ho kura ontimi ntiase that no ye wo horoma na ye te say omatimi ayeden omagu banks ahodo bi ye sign sorry ye no na tobut ahodo ye gu nyema ebi afei so radio stations ahodo TV stations ahodo it be bia timi see at any point in time so I just want to remind you that don't take these chances and I say don't put your resources at risk because one year you might lose them. Until the answer registration is now a cost you involve yourself and you do due diligence na bibia no enkoye. And opay no mama so nkran kakra na men kai wo say nyankopon am oboni wiase no otede oyase nti bibia wonam bia no kai se nyankopon wa ma ho kwan a ensi ma nyankopon se wa ma ho kwan pa ensi da esan se abrantie bia yenim ne se ye friend Joseph no ye de ne to amena mu nenso esan se na nye nyankopon ne kwan se ye de ne beto amena ni mu nti no on ma natamfo na anase ono ani nuanom no omo se nya tema bi esan ton ne ma ye kansen nkofo foforo bibi bia ra ofam mu no nyankopon nim woton na wode ne ekọ eye Egypt no bi beka say oh adenti na nyankopon ama ho kwan say yenton abrante no nyankopon nim de enti a wo fa mane mu san say okan James now say let us count it all joy when we face various troubles and tribulations enti no say nyankopon ka say count it all joy or as a blessing it means that God has a purpose for your life enti no bibia wa wo fa mu no nyankopon enam saa de ne so ehya unkran emma osiesie wo for inwuma pa bi ye nyina ye nim sister yi anansen ya yakobo na sum ewo eye banki enam so enunya ne ho nyankopon ewa akwanyese nya bebre a onam so edi hyira nyine ba nti bibia onam bia no nya akomato yem na nyankopon a ne nsa ewo ne maso no ono obehwe wo na afi de wadi wasem ede amam abusua midin ede Okamafo Clement matena si de na mekai wo say ye han Yorke state dwumaku ba ko a ono de fiti emra me hye dwumadi ya sebesi ne no wasomasenia na adenti na wasomasenia me so me bomu mo nchen anase me bom hu dewru ede kire we sanse wo nwuma pa wo ye no eno edi won kan na wonim say yese anwene pa enkasa ntina ye kanse han Yorke state me ana mekasa mo de ya na me kire wo say eba no sase pa de ya na kyese wo na kachi ene bi wo sizes ahodo ni nyina obenya bi e wo ho no ma fe so wo ton wo dan anase wo pedan ato ni nyina fa edan ho nsem asase ho nsem bibiara ebedan ye han Yorke state na afedi ebeje wo de na bibia so enkoyi 0243708485 na woni wona twetwe komo na bibia so ekoyi afei so ma menka wo se eye Adoms boutique entade eye febia no eye wona kache ena ebi wo afei so pe watches ahodo shoes ahodo a de beje fans na bibia so akoyi de eye Adoms boutique 0243708485 na woni wona twetwe komo na bibia so akoyi Sarabo hotel eye 5-star hotel a eba master bedroom master bedrooms any king size beds a one na obenya bi wo afei so event centers ahodo papa opay so wo de wo events ahodo nyina no okoye Sarabo hotel a obetimenya sanyema ni bi nyina won aduane any one sadi dutwem bibia so ekoyi nti bon wade an nefre won 0242222292 0242222292 na ene won indi komo anapa yi no some triple action ebo machidom MCR honum afei so executive producer mame Hanasa Akode on so ebo machidom na abusuafo bebre ewo dan mu hanama mo bo machidom ntino matena CD na chese de ekoso Ghana hanam sei no mema waso ate na wahu de ekoso ewo Ghana ha sei wonim se enche bia no na Ghana ha sei no ye Ghana card no so ba be bamfato achense ne yesisi ano ewo ho no because sisi ano a ye kasa no 44,000 airports and aje Ghana card no atum afei so 197 countries and what once with me aje Ghana card no atum atisi ano akoye international electronic passport a betimi use a enya asem ke 20 no but what they say you will not miss this opportunity but you grab the opportunity and register for your Ghana card na bibia so enkoyi. Moving on, I'll be starting with the newspaper review and then we have a lot of issues so now I'll be starting with the Daily Graphic. Na say Daily Graphic no eda wonfo nyine so dia na chese insembi a etwegu the Daily Graphic no the front page of the Daily Graphic or say UTAG suspend strike lectures start Monday into Monday edi enimia no UTAC for sign classroom enye asem ketwa sisi ano sukufo nyina titi wona won pe suku no won bomodi anse obetimi akosuku na wakosua de mo amompe assignment ye ne ade nyina mpacha mo sign ko school ntino Monday asem aye de pan NSC tisi ano UTAC for atiase se omesia ko classroom eye Monday ya edienim. Still on the front page of Daily Graphic, no, or say right to remove Asen not MP. Supreme Court orders substituted service, and also Hanama Enye Asem Ketwa 50,000 master craftsmen to receive TVET support, and also Hanama Enye Asem Ketwa. Moving from that story to the Ghanaian Times, you call the Ghanaian Times. Now Ghanaian Times no report say Assembly say the same story no or say UTAC suspends strike for 2 weeks to engage government on demands. Not just even classroom no more, it is just for 2 weeks. But yen share the ABC after this move no or say still on the front page say give back our lands. Nungwa for ene kasa nungwa manche demands from government nungwa for ene kasa ede akere eye aban se won bomodin ase obetimi ede won asase ede ama won we eye the Ghanaian Times enim honum ene wo honum afei so say endorsement of presidential candidates by chiefs during election violates constitution. CDD4 and the abetudra war cancer and was say a year I for MPP no ayana one wujina brand say yentu on swaba ukura frank you can say amanyuku frank ase yentu on swaba no ayana enye say ahemfo ebetimi akase woman for ento ema wonti ahemfo bomodin ase obetimi ahwe won hu yi e wo honom afei so say transport fares go up 15% effective Saturday. Until Saturday day enemy no. Say utia 30 pesos na chese unim say kakra beba be kan utia 3 cedis kakra beba kan until transport no sisi na yatum esan say petrol bo no so etimi akosoro a enye asem ketwa we the Ghanaian Times our report say e wa hanum say. Now moving from the Ghanaian Times no na ye call the Chronicle. Now the Chronicle newspaper no or say the Chronicle got it right. Okay, yenhwe. Or say court coups up Abungo boy arrested by police for allegedly dealing in illicit trafficking of arms and ammunitions. I know so ewa hanma enya asem ketwa Ghana Armed Forces na won funyini ewa han but story is about the police. Or say minorities demand for COVID-19 expenditure probe shut down and I say shut down and also ewa hanma enya asem ketwa na minority and I say dom kumano ehwe ni misa anka aban betimi abechechire mu die ntia woka say COVID-19 no wo di sika na etesa nti wo se won bechechire sika wo ye spend wo COVID-19 no no ye momodi ase betimi abechechire mu your honor prosecution is lying. And also, was a counsel for a year suspected Nima riot gang leader tells court. Intino ono and okase prosecution. I had attorney so and I said Nipa or prosecuting or no. I said ultra intro edi attorney so again Nima for Nancy I debe ebetu dra natches a water to edi abo won ho ebi no din kuntimba ne ade no. What do one could deny saying no in sema what day to dra and no. The dispute over a year Boteman land a year Trazako floors Woodfields at Court of Appeal and also Ewa Hanama Enyasam Kitwa. The Chronicle are reporting in 7 Ewa Hanam. Moving to the daily guide no or say unique bank collapse. Amano Bodu and I say Bodu class to testify against a year before Ewa Hanam say Enyasam Kitwa. Boga MP stripped surface 3 defeats in court and also Ewa Hanam say or say Trazako floors Woodfield in court enye asem ketwa sisia no adwumaku no ase wo ho yakeka. Parliament reject NDC COVID-19 motion na chese wo ka se anka yenhwehwe COVID-19 sika asem no Parliament say yembo sa nyema no engu. Supreme Court bounces Opuni again. Supreme Court bounces Opuni again. That is one of the stories. The Daily Graphic reporting Ewa Hanam. Moving to the Ghanaian Observer, no, say government sets out plans for a year clean energy. Government sets out plan for clean energy as Vice President Baumia charges a year energy sector players to plan for a year transition of renewable and I say to renewables and also Ewa Hanama enya asem ketwa onipa ne mfoni eda hanum eye Ghana mampeni abedi chire Dr. Muhammadu Baumia afei so finance minister also Hanama na energy minister omunyina omufenyi the front page wa I'm saying government rallies Ghanaians to support e-levy nipa nimfonyi eda hanum eye owura pon nkroma na nimfonyi eda hanum osei ej ice MPP national chairman position osei ej na ohwese anka ono so nsa betimi aka MPP national chairman no anka ono so betimi anya sa benwa no so atena so ama amanyuko no government committed to building viable mining industry minister and ekasano ono so ede asem no atuja St Andrews Group boss grabs top award and also in sema the Ghanaian Observer etimi observe ya ono so ede beto edwa daily analyst so kasa na ono so say MPP wants presidential hopefuls say on show won kasemu yipa over decision to buy forms for polling station executives na chese won so wo boa won crofo bi e wase wo se ni won so benya won hu e wo esoro wonum say wo so won bomode anse obetimi ahwe won hu yi a the daily analyst so kasa e wa hanum say aftermath of deadly explosion appeared to become a modern community to bring comfort to residents. Lance Minister assures says na appear explosion esino a bo modi anse obetimi esi one dan nyina mom no mo say dan sie na obabesi no abefo kwan so pa ama appear etimi afa ne ntom apa afira anya asem ketwa the daily analyst are reporting one mo say 2 dead 1 injured as well collapse at concromancy and also hanumsa enya asem ketwa COVID-19 fight. We are not letting down our guard. Zoom lion ena ekasa ede akere aban say sisia no e wo mu say manfo bi num refi COVID-19 nimo one day wogina brane wo bombodi anse COVID-19 obetimi ahwe ama bibia akoyi publisher no so ekasa ewa hanum say Ghanaian publisher or say afenyo marking endorses rejection and also ewa hanum say ya enya asem kitwa government are great intense interventions giving hope to farmers and also ewa hanum say fight for forms not unexpected unexpected and also ewa hanum say ya enya asem kitwa Freddie Blay ena ekasa ono so nimfunyi ewa hanum say Lands Ministry overhauling mining industry abujina po ene ekasa ewa hanum si ya nimfunyi ewa hanum si beyond the illusion of government created jobs in seminal when ekasa kwajo aferi right ene ekasa ewa hanum asenso boache inaugurates technical team and also ewa hanum si ya enya asemketwa the informer can be the informer. We are moving to the informer now. The informer essay a huge recruitment scandal ebanesena ebasa health ministry and see health ministry busted health professionals must cough up 7,000 Ghana cedis to secure placement asem ketwa and also ya report the informer now also re-election deception fully re-election deception or folly as want to me preaches repentance Hannah Blisius spits fire and also ewa hanum say mami ba ko bi ene eye papa yi epre ekonya no a enya asem ketwa mu insem nyina no ye ka ewa hanum say ya you need to get the inform and also ehu de ewa hanum say or say Zoom lion intensifies fight COVID-19 curbing the spread of COVID-19 Zoom lion intensifies its fight against COVID-19 afi insem bi so a itwegu ewa haya no the informer na so no or say flouting court directives. MPP communicators warn minister and also ewa hanum say enya semketo and sembe brina and etwegu ewa the informer bitimi age wo de na fe de wetimi akenkan the the new crusading guide and also a reporter in Semini AB Ewa Hanama or same Dr. Mahamadou Maumia a year or say then Cleon call to ECOWAS stakeholders plan for a transition from fossil fuels to renewables, and also Hanama say lands ministry to implement a appropriate regulatory framework to build a viable mining industry. Jinapo ena ekasa Hanam say Trazaco Group wins case against wood fields and other companies over 48 acres land in their custody, and I say their field that any as Ketwa Ewa Hanum say business community edge to help bridge a demand and supply gap, and also Ewa Hanum say any as Ketwa. Moving from that place to the daily searchlight, or say is the city officially the worst performing currency in the world? Is the city officially the worst performing currency in the world? Why na abisa sa same way inti no so koje the daily searchlight na ubitimi ehu de ekoso ewa hanam sin Ghana's digital census hailed former minister Enan Mfuni eda hanam say enya asemketo afi so or say a J so nani MPP ye can say chairmanship no or say ono so betimi enya and also ewa hanama enya asemketo plan for a transition to renewables. A Vice President Dr. Mahamadou Baumia and Anifuni Edda Hanum Sia Enye Asem Ketwa. Bushan Hanum ena ye de the newspaper headlines nina Edi ABC na afidie Makai was say in seminal Edorson and so dear ye can sing agro eno ebesi anesan unim se yembre no kwa na ekwa enya asem ketwa na Okamafo Clement matna han de na de coach kobre manyina me de abesomwo very soon unim se nyema bebre na ena ye de bro inti no sisi ano ya tete ye nyema ne so pa package na ewo morning show ni so nyina ya to ye bo ase we are getting things done. They are in the pipeline. NCBR. Very soon you are going to see us on your screen and a whole lot of things. I don't want to give you a lot of gist, but we are going to give you much of like the best of content one kasa you deserve. So maminka was say Yorke State jumeku a was so masina me di jumedi ni na edebrewo Yorke State se menka nche say banisa ase de wona kachi ene bi wonti bo mo de answer bitimi akoye Yorke State na wakwaje wasase afi so maminka was say meka was say eba no intade ene watches ahodo nyama sa nyama ni nyina de a na chese Adum's Boutique and with me ama obinti bomode answer with me afra on 0243708485 now when one at train come after is my menka will say Sarabu Hotel one of the best places with me experience a year hospitality at its best into with me alcohol na fede what me experience a year hospitality very good intinum with me from 0242222292 na face so when one din komo omo workers wa kwantempon so nti woni me owuni on with me din komo na so what me host guest what one ewo ho abusha me din e de Okamafo Clement nyumbi e ba bebo se ebo na se wante na sisi na so wanti menka bim na de chese Okamafo Clement me de wo asi ha nyankopon unhira na onyo kese se
Speak through my voice, Lord. See through my eyes.
abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice. But the attorney said, this is...
I'm sorry.
Your form was on my mem, and Pesua and Pesua, and you